Ethiopian doctors in training at this hospital in Addis Ababa. At a time when the country is overwhelmed by coronavirus patients, these health professionals must urgently learn how to use respirators. The doctors are convinced that the device will make the difference between life and death when the time comes.
I would be at the front line of that, so I need to be skilled in how to use this machine.
Ethiopia has over 100 million people, but only 54 respirators out of 450 available have been reserved for coronavirus patients. The Ministry of Health is hoping to acquire 1,500 more.
In other countries, in Italy, for example, they're being overwhelmed with patients, severely ill patients. They're having shortage of mechanical ventilation, and they're having to decide who to prioritize. So, if things continue like this, if people don't take it seriously, then we'll probably be overwhelmed.
As of Friday, April 3rd, Ethiopia has officially tested 29 positive coronavirus cases, with 2 cases deemed serious. The government has ordered 1,000 devices from China, but global demand is strong. Addis Ababa will have to settle for 250 by April.